So now I will try to create a function over here. Okay, so for that, same thing, we'll create a blank query, and over here, if you look at the advanced editor, we are currently in this state. So I will do one thing. What we need this function to do is to calculate the total number of cases, that is adding the let me go to the fact cases table again. So what we'll do is the do function should add on these two values and create the sum of these two, each of the values from each the columns. Okay, these two columns. So going back to the query. So okay, so we will need two parameters over here. This is just for the namesake, for understandability. Okay, so the parameter name as number means the data type. Sorry, it's a typo. Okay, as number. Then the second parameter as the data type. Now we need this to be what we are actually doing with these two values. That's what we are going to specify next. We will add the new case with new death. Okay, new deaths is already actually in the table, so we will stick to this. There is something wrong over here. Okay, so it's just a typo, nothing else. Yes, there we go. So now I'm going to rename this to total cases. Okay, so now how are you going to use this function? Going back to fact cases, I'm going to add a column. So you remember this option over here. So I told like I'll be explaining this later on. So I'm going to use this function over here now. Okay, the new column name, I'll give it as dot cases for now. So I'm going to select our custom function which we created. Now we need to specify the values. We can either directly provide values, but that is not the case over here. We need to specify the two columns which we will be using. So this one is actually new cases and this one will be new deaths. So I have specified a new column name. I have selected which is a function we need to use, and we have the parameters as well. Clicking on OK, and there we go. And the one last thing to do is to specify the correct data type. There. So just to confirm we have the correct values, let's have a look at this again. Okay, death cases 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 0 3. That's it.